everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can log into your BBVA mobile banking account. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your BBVA app on your phone. And after opening the app, here you can see the option of login right here. Simply tap on it. And then again, you will be able to see the login option. Tap on it. And this will take you to the login page of BBVA. So in here, you can type down your username. And after typing down your username, what you're going to do is type down your login password of your account. And after typing down your login password, now all you have to do is tap on this login option, and then you will be logged into your BBVA account. So if you have somehow forgotten your password, you can also tap on this option, forgot your password right here. Tap on it. And then you can see now your identification will be required. So you can select your document type and type down your identification number and then tap on the continue option that you can see right here and then access your forgotten password. And that is it. That is how you can log into your BBVA account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.